Yes, welcome back students. This is module 2, lesson 4, agricultural marketing, part 3. In this part we will discuss about market information, market training, enabling environment and recent development. So one by one we will see that. Market information. Proper functioning of the market. Buyers and the sellers should have complete information about all aspects of marketing. Following facilities are available to obtain market information. Number 1. Information is provided through mass media about the prices. Second, marketing surveys are conducted to secure information about various bottlenecks for competitive market. Third, grading and standardization of agricultural commodities have been introduced. A large number of commodities are covered under Agricultural Produce Act 1937. The standardized commodities through grading are stamped with the seal of Agricultural Marketing Department, AGMARK, AGMARK. The AGMARK enables the seller secure better price on the basis of quality. At present, through electronic media, farmers can access market information continuously about the changes taking place in the market. Next point, marketing training. Marketing training is essential in the following area. Number 1, marketing skills. Marketing is a specialized function which requires specific skills for purchasing and selling. Second, acquiring information. Market information in respect of supply and demand changes leading to the changes in price is essential for marketing people. Next, liaison officers. They are required to have contact with government officers, leading traders, exporters and importers to acquire all the essential information connected to marketing. Next, rules and regulations. Agriculture being a state subject, each state has its own rules and regulations regarding payment of fees and charges. Training in this aspect is necessary to understand the procedures. The last point, grading and standardization. Commodities are graded according to their quality. After grading, the standardized commodities are stamped with the seal of Agricultural Marketing Department, AGMARK, AGMARK. The AGMARK enables the sellers to secure the better price on the basis of quality and the consumers to have better quality product. Indian farmers are getting educated and treat their agricultural activities as a commercial ventures. Now the next new point, enabling environment. Any system to function effectively, it must have an enabling environment. An enabling environment is a set of interrelated coordination of matters such as legal, organizational, fiscal, informational, political and cultural matters that enables the participants to engage effectively in the process. It is necessary to create an enabling environment by the players for the agricultural marketing to operate smoothly and effectively. Number one, production. To have sufficient and quality output, we must have all required inputs, that is soil, water, seed, fertilizers and all the necessary equipment. Second, transport. Transport system like roads, railways, waterways, etc. must be available. Next, grading. Trained staff to test and grade the commodities must be available. Infrastructure. Infrastructure involves irrigation system, electricity supply, warehouses, local mandis and other necessary facilities for marketing. Next, information. Prices of agricultural commodities must be made available to everyone. Next, supply chain coordination. The entire supply chain from production to consumption requires to be well coordinated. Next, legal and policy framework. To avoid malpractices, a transparent legal and policy framework must be in place. Next, institutional system. It comprises finance, marketing, legal, administrative and other supporting systems. Next, regulatory system. To overlook the proper functioning of the markets, regulatory institutions like marketing regulatory bodies must be established. Last, ease of doing business. India has improved its global rank in doing business. So all these facilities create an enabling environment for efficient agricultural marketing. Now the last point, what the recent development in agriculture. In recent years, the central and the state governments have brought many changes to improve agricultural marketing in our country. Following are some of the recent developments. The Ministry of Agriculture developed a model Agricultural Produce Marketing Committee, that is APMC Act in 2003. The model APMC provides for direct sale of farm produce to contract for farming sponsors, to set up special market for specified agricultural commodities. Private persons, farmers and consumers to establish new market for agricultural produce in any area. To have single levy on market fees. Provide direct sale to consumers. To improve agricultural marketing, the Department of Agriculture has issued a comprehensive advisory to the state which includes the following measures. Number one, to declare the entire state as a single market, one license for entire state, and third, removing all the restrictions on the movement of agricultural produce within the state. The interministerial task force listed various priority areas to introduce changes in the existing system. Students, here we are finishing module 2. The module 2 is over. In module 2 there are 4 lessons, and this is the last lesson, agricultural marketing. In that we divided the entire lesson into 3 parts. Number 1 part, essential of good market and problems of agricultural marketing. I explain it. Then the second, marketing forms and market infrastructure. These pointers and this explanation is given to you. And the last part, market information, marketing training, enabling environment, and recent development. These are the things in lesson 4, module 2. Thank you very much.